Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the U.S. Immigration News. As the United States gears up for the inauguration of the new Trump administration in January, immigration and visa holders in the country are anxiously awaiting potential policy changes. At the same time, a sudden heated conflict is stirring up some serious controversy between Elon Musk and MAGA, Make America Great Again, supporters. This is a clash of vision for what kind of country America should be. Should we prioritize welcoming top global talent, or should we focus on protecting jobs and opportunities for Americans? If you are interested in this topic, please stay tuned until the end of the video. If you are liking this video, please hit the bell button, subscribe, and like it, so that you may get updates straight to your smartphone. On one side, you've got influential figures like Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy calling for big changes to legal immigration policies to bring in more high-skilled workers. They say it's essential for keeping America competitive and innovative. On the other side, you've got passionate MAGA supporters pushing back, arguing that these reforms could hurt American workers and go against the America First values they stand for. Immigration has long been a cornerstone of America's identity and economic development. The debate over high-skilled immigration, however, is particularly nuanced. It involves reconciling the need for a globally competitive workforce with concerns about protecting domestic jobs and maintaining cultural identity. At the heart of this issue is the H-1B visa program. This program allows U.S. companies to employ foreign workers in specialized fields such as technology, engineering, and medicine. For many global companies, the program is a lifeline for recruiting top talent, especially in tech hubs like Silicon Valley. But for critics, it represents a potential threat to American workers and raises questions about fairness and opportunity. The H-1B visa program was established to address labor shortages in highly specialized fields. Employers sponsor workers for a 3-year visa, renewable for up to 6 years. While the program is intended to fill gaps in the U.S. labor market, critics argue that it is often misused, leading to job displacement and wage suppression for American workers. In 2023 alone, nearly 75% of H-1B visas went to Indian nationals, highlighting the program's global scope. Companies like Tesla, Google, and Microsoft rely heavily on this workforce to maintain their competitive edge. However, this dependence raises questions. Are these workers genuinely filling gaps, or are companies prioritizing cost savings over hiring domestic talent? The Republican Party is deeply split on this issue. On one side, tech leaders like Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy advocate for expanding the H-1B program, emphasizing its importance for economic growth and innovation. They argue that high-skilled immigrants bring unique expertise, strengthen America's global standing, and contribute to technological advancements that benefit society as a whole. On the other side are MAGA loyalists, including figures like Laura Loomer, who view high-skilled immigration with skepticism. They argue that programs like H-1B prioritize foreign workers at the expense of American employees, undermining wages and job opportunities for citizens. For this faction, the debate isn't just about economics. It's about cultural preservation and the principle of America First. Former President Donald Trump's approach to high-skilled immigration reflects the broader tension within his party. During his 2016 campaign, Trump expressed support for a big, beautiful door for legal immigrants. He even proposed granting automatic green cards to students earning advanced degrees in the US. Yet, his first term saw policies that effectively tightened restrictions on legal immigration. For example, Trump's administration increased scrutiny on H-1B visa applications, leading to higher denial rates and more stringent requirements. Critics argue that these measures hindered America's ability to attract top talent, while supporters contend they were necessary to protect American workers. This duality mirrors the larger conflict within the Republican Party: how to balance economic growth with cultural and economic protectionism. Elon Musk's role in this debate is both personal and professional. As an immigrant who benefited from the H-1B program, Musk represents the success story that proponents of high-skilled immigration champion. His companies, Tesla and SpaceX, rely heavily on foreign talent to drive innovation. For Musk, the debate isn't just about politics. It's about maintaining America's status as a global leader in technology. Musk's views, however, clash with those of MAGA proponents who see his influence as self-serving. Critics argue that Musk and other tech leaders, like Vivek Ramaswamy and David Sachs, are more interested in advancing Silicon Valley's agenda than in addressing the needs of American workers. This clash underscores the broader cultural and ideological divide within the party. Proponents of high-skilled immigration argue that it's essential for America's future. They point out that many of the world's most innovative companies were founded or co-founded by immigrants. For example, Google's Sundar Pichai and Microsoft's Satya Nadella both came to the US as students and now lead two of the world's most influential companies. Vivek Ramaswamy has taken this argument further, suggesting that cultural values play a significant role in the success of high-skilled immigrants. In a controversial statement, he argued that cultures emphasizing education and work ethic are better suited for technical fields. While this perspective has sparked backlash, it highlights the complex interplay of culture, education, and economic success. This debate isn't just about visas or jobs. It's about the kind of country America wants to be. Should the US prioritize domestic workers, even if it means potentially falling behind in global innovation? Or should it embrace a more open approach to high-skilled immigration, accepting the trade-offs that come with it? The stakes are high. For businesses, the outcome will affect their ability to compete globally. For workers, it will shape job opportunities and wage dynamics. And for society, it will influence America's cultural and economic identity in an increasingly interconnected world. As the Republican Party grapples with these questions, it must find a path forward that balances competing interests. Potential solutions include reforming the H-1B program to prioritize truly high-skilled workers, investing in STEM education for Americans, and addressing the systemic challenges that make foreign talent so indispensable. The debate over high-skilled immigration and the H-1B visa program is about more than policy. It's about vision, values, and the future of America. As this issue unfolds, it will continue to shape the political, economic, and cultural landscape of the nation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of today's most important topics. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged. The U.S. Immigration News channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas, such as B1 and B2, work visas such as L-1A, L-1B, and H-1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5, and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe channel for more US immigration update videos.